Honorable viewers, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club. It's a private limited company registered in Pakistan. The headquarters of Global CEO Club is based in USA, Washington DC. Today we are here at Lahore Expo Center. Electricity Expo is being organized. Mr. Ashfaq Hussain from Future E-Vehicles with us. I request Mr. Ashfaq, please share with us about your brand, about your product range.
Ji, thank you so much. So, thank you so much, Sher Afzal Saab. I first of all I welcome you to came our stall YJ Future Electric Scooter Company. YJ Future Electric Scooter Company is the pioneer in scooter launching in Pakistan. That was established in 2018. Alhamdulillah, nowadays YJ Future is have introduced about 13 models in Pakistan. Our starting range, price range is about 95,000 and maximum is 4 lakh. We have different models. First of all, I introduced my big models. That is our Z9 model. Z9 model, this is the 15 to 2000 watt motor, and its price is about 2 lakh 39,000. It is also available in lithium model. That price is 275. After that we have a cruise model. That is its price is 1 lakh 99,000. That is also 12,000 watt to 15,000 watt multi-mode motors. And these are our big models. We have, alhamdulillah, all people's, all category people's, we have all models. Like child, girls, we have a good model for our, you may say, daughters, sisters, mothers, like that. They can use easily. That is our twister model. That is 1000 to 1200 watt multi-mode motor and 60 volt 32 amperes battery. We are here using in 4 models lithium and graphene also. You know, China producing 85% in graphene model, but nowadays in Pakistan everyone is liking lithium. But I personally recommend this year is introductory of lithium model in Pakistan, because you can understand that the best temperature is 35 for lithium, and you can understand that in Pakistan our temperature is so high. So this is the test and trial period of lithium in Pakistan, and you can understand that the lithium dispose of is a big issue in Pakistan. So graphene can be used recycle, but lithium can't use recycle. So this is the problem in lithium. But our peoples of Pakistan nowadays, everyone is asking for lithium. They do not know what problem shall be faced in other months. He will face. He do not know. But everyone thinking that lithium is the better than the graphene. So we are providing lithium also and graphene also.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Ashfaq. Mr. Ashfaq, I would like to invite you people, other business community as well, to join hands with Global CEO Club. As
Nice.
you people are doing excellent job to protect environment,
Yes.
to protect humanity,
Very right.
to protect cost of the people, which is being suffered by the Pakistani people, Pakistani nation. You are doing an excellent job, and I wish I wish your success.
Alhamdulillah.
Not only in Pakistan but the worldwide also. Global CEO Club can create opportunities for the business community to have alliances, to have partnerships, not only in Pakistan but the worldwide also. So once again, I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club to be part of Global CEO Club so that the growth, the flourishment of businesses can be sought by you people, by other business people across the globe. So thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Have a wonderful event.
Thank you.